I want to go to Epic Nature. I think that would be awesome. But first, my dad has to dye his beard purple.
I think I really look good. Man, I like this beard style. I'm gonna go show my son. My son's name is Joey. You like it?
Yeah, I love it. My dream is to someday go to Epic Nature.
So email him. Alright, let's do this. Alright. I think that's good for our email.
I know this is on my mom's email.
Yeah, but I think it's good still for our email. I just wish it wasn't on Mary Susan's.
It's been one day, and let's check their response. Oh, so I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to go do a video.
Son, why have you put your name as Lucy? That looks ridiculous.
I wanted to try and trick them. You see, I think it'll be good, okay? I want to reveal my real name, which is, of course, Joey. We CC'd them, so... Alright, I'll respond. Alright, I think this is good.
Hey, true.
Alright, let's leave so we can go to California. I gotta get my shoes on. Oh yeah, cannot wait for later. It's Thursday now. I just went to bed. My mom isn't recording it though. Okay, so we're finally here. Now they said they printed me a little map. So let's see where we have to go. It says we gotta go upstairs. So I see the stairwell over here. And then we gotta go to the left and then we'll get into the studio. My dad didn't come.
Hello.
Hi, it's nice to meet you. I'm Kaylee. Alright, so Jordan is in the lab. So you're gonna have to wait. So yeah, you're gonna have to wait because he has to do the tour too. So I'm Kaylee. So yeah, hi Lucy. I'm not Lucy, I'm Joey. But you said you were Lucy in the letter. I know. I was just being funny. I'm not Lucy. I have a sister named Lucy, but she didn't want to come.
Hi guys. I just finished up my experiment I was doing downstairs. So I'm the owner of Epic Nature. Hello, it's me, Jordan.
Hi.
So here is the Epic Nature mineral collection. We have almost every stone you could wish for. What's one of your favorites? Maybe we can find it.
Well, I like...
That's a hard question, isn't it? Yeah.
I think I like Havensight.
Well, there it is. And there's one, I believe, on the floor too, a much better quality one that was rather underpriced. So, yeah, only $33. Alright, so that's my crystal collection, and then I have a bag. I recently went to Tennessee and found, well, as you can see, that's Buc-ee's. That's a gas station in Kentucky. Found some awesome stuff in Tennessee, including this big quartz chunk. And, not really too sure what this is. It's metallic. As you can see, it's reflecting that light really well. Okay, I know Riley told you that we would not be able to shoot a video with you, but we're going to do it anyway, because I'm not Riley, and I'm going to change my mind on that, because I'm willing to do a video with you. But first, let's get our picture taken. Alright, let's see what's in these. So you can have that one. I'll let you have that one. And I'm gonna unbox mine. Let's see what's in here. Hyperstein. We've never had that on the channel actually before. Yeah, ever. Hyperstein. Oh, let me see. Isn't that cool? Oh, that's like, it's beautiful.
I'm sorry, I forgot to have them film my part, but I unboxed a piece of perovskite. It is awesome titanium dioxide.
Alright, I have stuff to do with Epic Nature, like with all of the stuff. I'm gonna let Jordan take you down to the lab. I have stuff to do. I can't. Hope you enjoyed the tour. I hope you enjoyed it, Joey. Alright, let's go down to the lab. But I have to tell you something. I'm going to gift you this iron meteorite. That came from outer space, and that is yours. I'm not kidding. It's worth like $100 or more. Probably 1,000.
Go down to the lab yet, because I have to.
Destroyed the collection. Why would you do something so horrible?
I got bored. I want to play. I want to play my video game.
No good reason to destroy the collection, though. You don't do stuff like that to people. That's rude. Oh, we forgot to take the meteorite. He got a gift and he's being bad. Hey! Hope he can hear me. Dad, you better take his meteorite. Why? Because he was a brat, he destroyed the collection. He destroyed the whole ENS collection. So take his meteorite. Now, why did you destroy their collection? It's not okay for you. This meteorite is mine. You're not getting it because you were a turd in Epic Nature. I hope I made you guys laugh with today's episode. I'm just going to tell you something interesting. That meteorite that Dad had to take from him, that is a real meteorite. It looks like aluminum foil. I'm just going to let you know now, and I'm not acting right now. I'm just letting you know. That took a lot of work. Acting as 3 people, editing 3 people into one shot, putting on fake hair to make myself look like a girl. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna... change clothes. Peace out.